Hi everyone, so welcome to another episode of PKM Weekly. So let's see what's in store for us this week. Let's start off with Tana. So product of the month. So they've officially achieved product of the month for February 2025. So well done to the Tana team. They now have product of the day, product of the week and product of the month. So I'm sure now they're wanting product of the quarter and maybe product of the year, if product of the quarter even exists. So if you haven't voted already, please do. Just to increase the reach of Tana to the public, and I'm sure the devs are appreciative of it. So well done to them for that achievement. Also up is Tana Android, so now it's official. It's live on the Google Play Store, so they are aware that there's still a long road ahead with many improvements and features that need to be added. But it's there, it's out there, you can easily download it, follow the link, or just go to the Play Store and type in Tana. From memory, both of them do come up. Just choose the Tana Notes one to download rather than Tana Capture, and then you can see your notes, see their tags, see various different things within the app itself. And Joao and the team are always improving it, so if you have any feedback or anything, just get on the Slack and post it there, as I'm sure they'll look into it ASAP. So well done to the team again on that one as well. Version 396-399. That was also released this week, and there's quite a few updates. So let's just check in the Tana update itself. So a new error message for event systems. Greater ability for Tana subscribers to change or upgrade their plans. Not sure it's really an improvement. I'd probably say it's a new feature on the basis that previously it was very difficult to do and you needed to contact them by email or through the Slack. But at least now you can do it through Tana itself. So well done on that one. Just makes it a lot easier and a lot quicker. And then various different other fixes and whatnot, especially as there is one which is good. So no matter what time zone you're in, today equals today, tomorrow equals tomorrow. So no more having to guess, is it plus, minus, 4, 8, whatever the time difference is. Today's today, tomorrow is tomorrow. And various different other things as well, as I mentioned, some fixes and some other info. So that's that one. Tana Paper Pro. So this is an idea by Aaron, who I think he's trying to sell royalties to Tana itself. Basically coming up with a paper notepad of Tana paper. And you can read more about his idea on X, where, what did he do yesterday, I think it was. So they did first day of Cairo. He spent 3 hours color coding his Tana papers, while the tour guide pointed out some old buildings, nice. Driver kept stopping for photos, but he had to index his system first, yep. And basically just follow along his journey. He was stuck at the airport the other day, but at least it gave him time to doodle, if I remember right. So do check it out, great entertainment value, so thank you Aaron. And also you can check out his idea here, his proof of concept. Maybe you should make it into a meme coin, Tana Paper Pro coin. And basically just goes through of why not use Tana electronically and why use Tana Paper Pro. So Aaron, well done for doing this, especially for doing it 1 week before your holiday to Egypt. So time well spent, I would say. Logseq. So Logseq DB version merge, possibly. So a couple of messages in the Reddit, in Discord by Ramses, which basically seems to suggest that the merge feat, DB and main branches will occur soon. And basically it just means that you're bringing everything together. So it is a big deal, as Ramses points out here. And it will also mean that local apps should be able to be built, including for the DB version. So hopefully that will occur soon enough. Querying Olama with schema.org using Logseq, basically using Olama LLM, using the Logseq graph. CLD Walker just posted a video of how you can achieve this. So do check that out if you're interested. A lot of quality things in here, and especially for those interested in AI, LLMs on your graph, definitely worthwhile having a look. And in fact, CLD Walker did also do a bit of a write-up here. So basically what you need to set it up, how to use it, and his comments and thoughts here of how you can get this to run. So if you are interested, do check that out. Obsidian data cards plugin. So this is basically transform your data view tables into card layouts. So it basically uses your data view to transform the query, I guess, into a slightly different view, a bit like Notion or Capacities, the cards view. So basically this is an Obsidian, as you can see. It's a travel diary page, various different destinations with the properties beneath it. And you can see it's a bit of a card view, and there's also a library or book list. So you can do it with a couple of things. And there is also a different view that you can achieve. So you can see just the pages themselves without any of the description beneath it or the properties. And also this view, which is quite cool. So you can see the destinations. And then I'm guessing if you hover over it, possibly, or you click on it, it will show you the properties behind it. So seems a great quality plugin. And if you are interested in how to get it to run, just check out this Reddit post here, and you can see the full details of the plugin and how it works and various different comments from users. So well done to OP on that one. 1.8.8 desktop version, that's just been released. So it just seems like every week there's a new update, so well done to the team on that one. Let's just have a quick skim through. So updated translations, improved app performance, settings to showcase or to reflect the changes to the commercial license, which basically is no longer needed, auto numbering, and a few other things with sync and smart lists, and a number of bug fixes. So that's cool. And then OP did a video of why Obsidian, so how to future-proof your notes. And they basically look at 5 favorite features of theirs, of how Obsidian is great for future-proofing your ideas and your notes. So it looks at how you can use different settings, plugins and templates to augment your note-taking, making it AI future assisted as well, and basically just goes through of how Obsidian is a great note-taking tool. So if you haven't seen it yet, please do check it out because it is a quality video. Capacities, there was a post about central hub or a dashboard. So really just how do you display your data, or how do you capture it through a central hub or a dashboard, and basically just ask the question, and there's a good few responses in the Reddit post, so do check that out if you're also having this question. And then I thought it was quite cool, which I think is a recent update, at least I didn't see it the last time I checked the website, is basically Capacities are now showcased, how you can use Capacities if, for example, you're a developer or a writer, so capture key information, bring sources together, explore your ideas, and they go through with a few other examples. Researchers, same thing, students, founders, everyone, basically any user, and managers, where you can store your key information about your colleagues, note to self on the colleague, and mentions of all of the times you've talked about the colleague. So I think that's great because it just showcases what Capacities can actually do in a real life case. So well done to the team for updating that. And if you haven't updated it recently, apologies, I didn't realize it before, but it's a great feature or a great showcase. Appflowy 0.8.4, that's out and it's packed with highly requested features. So now you can lock pages, including databases, to prevent accidental edits. You can use various different keys, the slash, the @ the plus, and the double square bracket as triggers on mobile, so without breaking your flow and having to click a button instead. So you can also control duplication. And now, since 0.8.4, the app will auto-update, so saving you having to download it each time, and various different bug fixes. And I think what's quite cool is that they also put in what's going to be released in the near future, or a work in progress. So they're looking to see columns in documents, web view, so allow YouTube, AI chat, etc. A new floating editor toolbar, global search in mobile, and allowing web, so AI writers, drag and drop in columns within the web version. So well done to them for at least showcasing what they're going to be working on and what they're going to try and achieve. Orca Note also had an update, seems to be the week of updates. So 0.32, so tag updates, now creates separate references. Created on this day, query is built in, so saving you having to work out what you created on each of the days. AI updates, new Mermaid plugin, which you can see how it renders just down below here. And then a few tweaks to the tags as well, where you can migrate instances and remove instances with Sethion explaining how both of them work. So great to see Orca Note just updating every week, so well done Sethion. AFFiNE, they had quite a bit of an update, so let's just go here and be quicker. So 0.20.0, so lots of updates, AI, user storage manager, table block templates, journal integration, database split view, etc, etc. But what I really like about AFFiNE is that they actually put, for each update, a very brief video, usually a minute or less, in fact quite a bit less than a minute in this case, and a very brief description of what it actually does. So for each of the updates you can see a brief video and a explanation. So if you are ever in doubt of what the updates have been implemented or what they're achieving, do check this out, and I wish more apps would do this because it just makes things a lot easier rather than trying to decipher what it actually means. So very well done to AFFiNE for that, and I hope more and more people and apps do this. And last but not least, a bit of an insight from Tana on how he takes notes or uses internal links. He uses it in the context of Obsidian, of course, but I'm sure you can take ideas from this and implement it in other note-taking apps. And basically just use internal links, so he uses them frequently within his notes, and it just talks through of how he envisages it, how he uses it, and his structure. So the movie, theatre and restaurant, each linked to entities within his reference folder, and then within the reference folder he has his ratings, notes, etc, etc. And as I say, it's in the context of Obsidian, but you can take ideas for your note-taking tool of choice. So thank you, Tana, for that insight. And that's it for this week. So thank you very much for being here, and I shall see you next week. Bye.